I'm going to stop. Because as an artist, it's important to know when it's time to stop. Hi friends, it's Miss Hazel.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, we're back again. We always say with a fun activity, but you know, they are just fun activities. Something that happens to us all the time is people say, we're cleaning out our house and we've got some craft supplies for you. Would you like them? And sometimes they're like really cool, awesome things, and sometimes they're just bags of broken crayons. And maybe you've seen this before. We're gonna put some crayons on the canvas, and then we're gonna use a heat tool and we're gonna melt it. So the first thing you have to do is get your crayons naked. So here's one. This is also a partner project if you want. I'm using an open pair of scissors and I'm just sort of slightly dangerous. So by whatever way you find necessary, you can peel your crayons. That's your first step. Now we have sort of a canvas that's maybe not the newest, but it doesn't really matter if we want to put crayons on it. So we like to just have friends. We tell our friends to just put a tiny bit of glue to hold it where you want to hold it. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, you gotta check this thing out. Miss Kate found this tray. So now this is a heat tool. You could use a hairdryer.
But ask permission.
Oh my gosh, please ask permission. And make sure, sometimes we do this in a cardboard box, but you're gonna turn it on. It's very, very hot at the end. And also we tell our friends to not put the crayon on the plastic. Crayolas seem to be the best ones for this. Some of the other crayon brands are a little waxy, but Crayola seems to have the most saturated color. And they also have metallic crayons that are super fun when they get melted. It's like a little rainbow in there. Okay. I feel like you guys get the idea. And I actually really just like it like that. It looks really cool. That looks really cool to me. If you can see it up close, like the colors over here, I really like that. This side, look, it is already dry. So I'm going to move it so it's not in here so you can kind of see it. And then I'm going to stop. Because as an artist, it's important to know when it's time to stop. Right, Miss Kate?
That's true. And maybe you could even use just paint on the background to cover up all the white canvas.
Miss Kate is always thinking of the next idea. Well, thank you so much for, oh, it's dried enough that I can hold it up and show you. Thank you for joining us. Have some fun melting some crayons. Just get a grown-up's permission, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks, friends.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends.